Hi everybody, I'm Animesh and I'm from Light Information Systems. We're here to talk about Pooch. And I have 3.5 more minutes, right? So this is a question that is asked on a very popular search engine. You might have heard of it, Google. Yeah, so what is the record of Usain Bolt? And this is what you get. You get a lot of links. And on another engine, the same question was asked. What is the record of Usain Bolt? Not even what is, just record of Usain Bolt. And you get the answer. His 100 meters record, 200 meters record. Same, मैं आज़ाद हूँ का producer कौन? Try asking that on Google. So you get Amitabh Bachchan biography and stuff. On this other system, you get the answers. Right? Morning trains from Kolhapur to Pune on Sunday. So you get a lot of links. In all probability, you have to go into those links and again type whatever you wanted to ask. And if it is IRCTC, in some hours you'll get the answer. You guys are awake, right? I mean, okay. So imagine a system where you can actually have a conversation, you can ask questions, get answers, and have a conversation. So you wanted to know the price of an Audi A4, let's say in Delhi. And then you just type A3 and you get the price of the Audi A3 in the same city. So you can take factual questions like diameter of the earth and stuff like that, or you can take opinionated questions like what do I do for my pimples, or and get a simple answer to those. So that's Pooch, and it's all about let there be light. Get exact usable answers, anything, anywhere, anytime. So what is it? It's an application made on NLP, that's Natural Language Processing Engine, that gives you exact usable answers, not web links. So after about a year and a half of research, a year ago we launched it out there on SMS, empowerment, right? So everybody should have access to it. And SMS also had certain technical advantages that we wanted to use to just validate this product. This is the kind of numbers we reached in a short time. So we had almost 200,000 users. And not only that, very active users. People kept asking questions, whether it is scores, whether it is exam results. You know, suddenly we see a surge of 3,000 queries coming from a university where people want to know what their results were. General questions, all kinds of questions, right? And how much did we spend on marketing? Nothing. We did not publish even our visiting cards, okay? So this is how it works. I won't get into much detail, but yeah, some of this technology is patentable. And what we did was, so this is how it goes. So you get the question, we route it, we see if that question is there in our database. We use domain classifiers, answer type prediction, stuff like that. If not, if it was a question that had previously come, we have spiders. If not, we also route it to experts. So some questions will be extremely localized, which will need an expert, or opinionated, which will need an expert. We inform the person that we have sent it to so many experts, and you will expect your answer. We give them time. This is what we're looking at. We are coming out with, you remember I said let there be light? So there is going to be light, which is going to be launched very soon as a mobile application. And there we intend to get over 1 million users very soon. So you can all download the Pooch app, Pooch app right away. And when light comes, you will get the beta, in your phone. You'll be informed immediately, right? So this is what we're looking at. We are right now a part of the GenNext Innovation Hub as well, which is a partnership between Reliance and Microsoft out of Mumbai. So like I said, light will come where you can not only ask questions, but you can register yourself as an expert, because we realize that everybody is an expert on something, right? So you can get down to that and become an expert. And so this is going to be, the tagline here is search made simple, get relevant answers. That's it. So
thank you, Animesh.
Thanks.